Do you see this? This is $200 and it was obtained in 2 days. So it means $100 per day, right? Do you want to make $100 per day? If you do, you just have to go to www. Hey guys, this is Joyce Meettoo here and welcome to this new video where I will show you how you can make $100 per day, right? And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Joyce Meettoo and I do videos on how to make money online, and I talk about affiliate marketing, and I also do reviews of products that I do believe works best for you. Right. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make $100. So let me be quick and get straight to the point. Right. So can you see this? This is actually the dashboard of a back office of a software program called ClickFunnels. Right. Many of you have heard about ClickFunnels. Good. Actually, I started promoting one single offer, and I've made $100. This is the first day I started promoting it, and today is the second day, and I got $100. Right? Okay, you're going to ask me, what is the offer? How can I do it, and how should I get it? The answer is simple, right? When you join ClickFunnels, right? When you join ClickFunnels, you will be able to apply as an affiliate and get accepted as an affiliate over there quickly, right? And to put the cherry on the top is once you get accepted, you will be able to promote many products, right? Many of these products, but there is a product that I'm actually promoting right now, and this product is called One Funnel Away Challenge. So let me actually show you what One Funnel Away Challenge is, right? So when you actually come here in the sales page, it says, how would you like us to hold you by the hand as you launch your first or next funnel? So guys, for anyone who don't know what a funnel is simply an offer to your potential buyer, right? You simply present your offer in such a way that your buyer comes and do not get confused and buy from your funnel, right? And who needs the funnel, right? So if you're in the affiliate marketing niche, you are affiliate marketing business, real estate business, or you want to create a page to capture leads, right? You want to actually create something for your website, or you want to create a website. This One Funnel Away Challenge will allow you to do all that, right? And ClickFunnels gives you all the facilities that you need to actually build your funnel inside, and it's super easy and fast, right? So what actually do you get? What actually do you get with One Funnel Away Challenge? One Funnel Away Challenge cost $100, right? It cost $100, but that's not it. That's not all, guys. What you get with One Funnel Away Challenge is simple, right? I'm going to be quick. So what you get is a 30 days video mission from Russell Brunson, the CEO himself, and 30 days of coaching from Stefan Larsen and Julie Storian. So who are these two? These two are two Comma Club winners. Two Comma Club winners means that they have earned over $1 million through one funnel, right? I repeat, they have earned over $1 million and add in sales, right? Through one funnel, only one funnel. So guys, these two people actually made $1 million, and they are going to coach you if you join the One Funnel Away Challenge. So in what are they going to coach you? It's simple. It's how you create your own funnel based on what you want to do, right? And the One Funnel Away Challenge customized kit. So you get a 30-day plan. Now, what's the 30-day plan? What is it? This is the kit, right? The 30-day plan, the workbook, etc. And you actually get, as a bonus, you get the MP3, etc. What I want to show you is the 30 days hardcover book, unlimited access to 30 days interview. So what are they? The thing that you're getting is a 30-day plan that 30 2 Club members would actually do to go from 0 to $1 million. The path from $0 to $1 million. I'm not saying that it's going to be in 30 days, but the plan of action they would do in 30 days to get started from 0 to 1 million. And the information that they're going to give is amazing, guys, right? There are 30 members from MLM, members from affiliate marketing. They are good on YouTube. They are good on blogging. They are good at SEO. They are good at e-commerce. They are good at real estate. So there is no excuse for you to actually refuse or tell yourself that you can't do it. You're getting a blueprint from 0 to 30 days. So, in 30 days, from how you can go from 0 to over 6, 7, 8 figures, right? And you getting all that for $100. Not only that, these are the bonus. The actual thing is you're actually getting 30 days training from the man himself, Russell Brunson, right? And it goes, guys, and the funnel shows you what's inside, right? What you get, right? And what can you expect, right? My laptop is lagging a bit, so just bear with me a little, right? This laptop lags a lot. Yeah, so they describe the bonuses, what you're going to get, the 30 days. As I've said, day 1, you do this. Day 1, they will do that. Day 2, they will do that. Day 3, what they will do with, I forgot to mention, with no product of their own, no list, no email list, right? No traffic, no reputation, no funnel at all, right? What they would do. And these are the blueprints from day 0 to day 30. This is for one person, and you've got the same thing for 29 more people. In total, 30 person. 30, not any person, but 30 2 Club members, right? So this is the brief description, right? And what you get, etc. Now, how am I able to do that? How am I able to actually make people buy the One Funnel Away Challenge? It's simple, guys, because people actually want to make money with One Funnel Away Challenge, right? With ClickFunnels, to be more precise. And how are they going to do that? Simply by becoming an affiliate over there and promoting One Funnel Away Challenge, right? But you're telling me, but Joyce, how can I promote One Funnel Away Challenge, right? I got that covered for you, so give me a second. Here it is. It's simple, guys. All you have to do is simply bridge the gap between your client to your offer, right? And you bridge the gap by building a bridge page. Yeah, it's as simple as that. You bridge the gap by building a bridge page, or I should say a bridge funnel, right? So where do you build that? In ClickFunnels. As simple as that. If you have ClickFunnels, you can build the bridge funnel, right? So the bridge funnel actually is from my mentor, right? And I got that when I bought an offer from him, and I got that as bonus, right? Amazing. So what I got was this video. It explains what, again, ClickFunnels, one funnel away challenge of ClickFunnels is. It goes in details, and it says a marketing degree in 30 days. Guys, this same funnel that you're in has sold over 372 one funnel away challenges, and my mentor has made over $37,000 and 200. He has made over that, right? And this is the exact funnel, right? The exact template. So when you get that, it's not over. This is the very thing that you could have obtained from him, right? As a bonus. But what if I sweeten the deal, right? What if I give you my bonuses, right? So this guy is me, by the way. So what I'm going to give you is the list of freelancers. So what you're going to tell me, why do I need freelancers? Guys, you will be learning that in one funnel of a challenge, that you don't actually need to do the work. You can actually pay someone else to do your work, and do the work in such a way that the work being presented converts, brings you money, brings you cash, right? And these freelancers that I'm going to give you has made one of my mentors over $1 million in ClickFunnels, right? And this is the very list of his freelancers, and he's given me as bonus so that I can share with my with people signing up through me, right? And signing up through ClickFunnels through me, right? And these freelancers do funnel design, thumbnails, graphic design, copywriting, etc., etc. So you can go on and contact them and make more money in the shortest amount of time. So like I said, this will save you a lot amount of time, as well as make you load crap of money, right? And the second bonus that I'm going to give you is a one-on-one 1 hour coaching call, right? So I'm going to share with you all my strategies for free traffic, how you can do it for free, using free traffic. And this is as a bonus, right? I actually do charge for that, and it's over $1,000, but you're going to get that for free when you buy the one funnel challenge from me, right? And the best thing that I can give you next is, if you choose one day to do your ad swipes, like you want to scale your business. If you've made enough amount of money through organic traffic, and now you want to scale it to paid one, right? You can use ads. So what are the ads? What are the copy you're going to use? What are copywriting? Fear not, I'm giving you the white label rights of $1 million ads, right? These ads were run by two Comma Club members, right? These guys are including Penn June, Dan Henry, Ryan Levesque, right? Russell Brunson himself, right? These were the ads that were used by them, and they've made $1 million, right? So you can use, I'm giving you for free, and it's white label rights. You can use it as your own bonus, right? The next is the white label rights of ClickFunnels Share Funnel Library. Now, guys, this bonus contains 51 share funnels. Now, the beauty of a share funnel is, whenever you share a funnel with someone who does not have ClickFunnels, and if they click on the share funnel, they get access to it. And if they don't have ClickFunnels, like I said, they will have to get ClickFunnels to use the same funnel to make money, right? So when they do that, you actually get affiliate. You actually get an affiliate, right? And when they pay their monthly fee, you get recurring commission. You see that? The power of share funnel, right? So you're going to get 51 share funnels, right? And they come from 7 to 8 figure earners, 2 Comma Club winners, dream car winners. People who are dream car winners are those who actually have 100 affiliates under them in ClickFunnels, or more than 100, right? So you're going to get those funnels. So there's no way that you're not going to make money with ClickFunnels or simply one funnel challenge, right? So there's no way you can't make money. And the last part is actually get access to my VIP Facebook group. This VIP Facebook group, I'm going to do lives almost daily on the weekly. I'm going to coach you. I'm going to teach you the methods that I'm going to use to make money online and all that, right? So if we look at the price now, these are the bonuses of my mentor, right? And you will be getting white label rights because this much, right? And if we do a total, right, it becomes 6,555, sorry. And this whole course actually sells for 997. So instead of paying 997, you'll be getting it free today. All this you'll be getting free today when you just sign up for one funnel away challenge. When you sign up today, right, before the April 5th, because the one funnel away challenge is going to start on April 5th, right? And when you sign up before that, you will be getting all these bonuses. And why are these bonuses important? Is if you get these bonuses, right, you can actually use them, leverage them to get your first $100, right? And these bonuses, guys, I don't believe you'll be getting these bonuses somewhere else, right? You're getting these bonuses with me, and this is how other people are actually leveraging my bonuses to actually get this training, do this training, understand the concept of a funnel, and boom, make money online, right? So this will be it for today, guys, for this video, and I hope you got value, right? And like I said, when you buy the one funnel away challenge, you will be getting these bonuses, and to get these bonuses after buying that, you simply have to send me an email with your receipt, and on this email address, just send me a mail and with your receipt. Once I've confirmed that, you will be receiving your bonuses, and so that you can actually use them to make your first $100 per day, right? And this is it, guys. This will be it for today, for this video. If you did like this video, just give me a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the notification bell so that you don't miss other upcoming videos that I'm going to show you how you can make money online, right? It's been fun, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.